Stop by and take a look at the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, power tailgate, rain sensing wipers, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.